just going on a camping trip to Wales. I did mention it, and just making sure that I've got all my gear just about ready to go, all packed up. Yeah, so I've got my waterproofs and just got my over trousers and stuff because it is quite warm, but we're probably going to hit a bit of weather. I think we're staying away from motorways. I'm just going to go, I think about 4 hours or something like that, so see you in a bit.
I've just swore on one of my vlogs. It's been one of them days though, mate, hasn't it?
It's been weird.
It has.
It started out really well.
Yeah.
And then just things went to shit for me. And
yeah.
I had to go back home. And I was running around like a blue ass spike, getting that sorted.
Yeah.
And then I thought, it's only been about half an hour. And I looked at the clock and it was like 11:30.
Yeah.
So I'm like, 12:30, pub.
Yeah. No, so guys, Fasty's bike, he had a problem with his sensor on his ABS, so I thought it would touch and go for a minute, but we got here, didn't we? So we're currently in Wales. It's I think we've got 10 miles left. I ain't got a clue where we are. Just hope we are going to the right place, but we've had quite an eventful day, but it's been quite good. But just put the cameras on now because obviously there wasn't really much to see, was there? We're just enjoying it. Just turn him down because he's doing a lot of F-bombs. Bike's a bit dirty, so that'll be getting a clean. Needs a service as well. Look at them, fine machines them. The green goddess and the white princess.
She's no princess.
Especially when you're on her. Right, should we crack on, mate?
Yeah, let's crack on.
Let's see what roads we've got for the last 10 minutes, but we're just going to be rocking and rolling into well, we're just fashionably late, aren't we? Always best till last, eh? Right, let's do it. So just got to keep my eye on the sat nav now and make sure it's going the right way. It's 6 o'clock and it says we've got 3/4 of an hour to get here. So I've got the TomTom on. But yeah, we had quite an eventful morning actually. Fasty sent me a text. We were going down to Wales together for this camping trip. I think we're in Wales now. See all the hills and everything yonder. Might not quite be in yet, but I'm not sure. I think we are. But normally, yeah, we've got there's Welsh signs. Oh, I've just missed the turning. That's not a good start, is it? We've just had communication problems. We've got the pack talk bulbs on, and I can hardly hear him, and he can hear me, and then it kept going off, and we didn't know if it was his, we didn't know if it was mine, but we changed units over on the helmets, and I was still not getting any sound through the speakers. So I think it's speakers, it's knackered. So I'm gonna have to pull it all out tonight and just have a look. Into the unknown. Straight into the clouds as well. Look at this. They are nice though, these coming off these onto these roads. Better than main roads. But they're just covered in crap. It's like being round home. So yeah guys, we've got so for this weekend we've got 2 days down here in Wales. We're doing Lake, I don't know if you pronounce it VYRNWY, I don't know. So it's a bit of a, we're going on a ride tomorrow. So tonight it's all about bikes, burgers and beers. I'm not a big drinker, so I'll be having a couple of beers. Be nice to get to know everybody. It's the first time we've met quite a few people here. There's quite a few motor vloggers as well, which is going to be a bit weird actually, because there's just going to be cameras everywhere. Well, you would think. But at least they get accepted and you're not going to get people saying, "You're not filming me." But yeah, the sun's out, but not in the direction we're going. It's looking a bit gnarly over there, but it is what it is. I've just turned Fasty down, so I don't know if you can hear me. Flash your lights if you can hear me, mate. No, he can't. Me droning on. Yeah, he just sat behind me. He's stood up now, look, he thinks he's on an adventure bike. Going left here. So we're 6 miles away. Oh, squirrel, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't even know what the name's the place is called actually where we are. Some chapel centre or something like that. Schlappel. But no, it's been a real fun day today. I've got me clear visor on because I thought we were going to get rain, and all it's done is steam up. It's like a sauna. So I'll be changing that out tomorrow. I've got my other one in my top box anyway. I've not brought a bag, I've just got my panniers and my top box, got all my camping gear in there. I've opted for the smaller tent as well, because I could have bought the bigger one, but I just thought the smaller one will do it. Plenty of room, it's only me. So thanks to the guys from MotourEvs and that for the invite. I thought that was good. So I think they invited me, I don't know if, or did I invite myself? Well, they still accepted my invite anyway, so it is whatever. And I'll just be glad to get there, get the tent up and just chillax. And there's going to be food here, there's going to be like a food wagon. This is it, this is the place. Landadrinio, whatever it's called. I don't know. I'm steaming up, it's like a sauna in here. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is a nice little bridge, isn't it? Look at this. Beautiful. Oh shit, should have gone down there. Right, I just need to turn around. Sorry. Yeah. We should have gone down there.
Was that the way to go?
Well, that's what that was saying, yeah, because if we're carrying up there, we're adding miles on. But I've just seen them go past up there, so I don't know if they was going, I don't know.
I'd trust that.
Yeah, yeah.
They might be going to a different camp.
What's the name of it? Can you remember? Is it? Will you recognise it if you see it? Schloppel or something like that. All right, let's go and have a look then. What you get for gabbing? Just completely missed it. 330 yards down here, so it's just before the lights then, isn't it? Just close that. Right. Up here. So it's looking like a mile up here somewhere. That's a bit dangerous. You know, when they cut the grass, just clean it up. We'll probably just get to the end and it'll say you have arrived at your destination. And it'll be just some prank that they're not really having a camping session, and it's just me and Fasty come down. Oh, that'd be hilarious. Do you know what? I'd just get my tent out and just stick it in that field anyway. I won't care. Right. Hey up. Are they looking for it as well? Alright. Right, is this right then? Bloody hell, look at that dog. Killer dog. What's this? Right, according to this is it. That's it, we're here. I don't think that's it, do you? I think that's just somebody's house, isn't it? Do you want to carry on up there, see if he's out up there? Yeah. I don't know. Alright.
You know where it is?
No. we've got a sat nav. Well, it's just got us to that house there, so
there's a sign down there that says the Situal Centre. You know where you saw me?
Oh yeah.
I thought, bugger it, I'm going to turn around and follow you two, because you obviously know where you're going.
No, we don't. We really don't. I'm just going to see if I can get a signal actually, and see if I can get it on my phone. So have you got the paper there? It's one we did earlier.
Right, you want the postcode or what?
No, because the postcode was where we've just stopped there. I wanted that place there, yeah, so hang on.
SYCH.
Oh, I've got 4G anyway, right, so it's SYCH PW
LL.
Oh, that's it. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Right, hang on then. Maps.
40 miles.
23 minutes. Oh, no, that's by foot. Directions. Oh, it's a fair way though. Look. That's.
Right.
Hang on. No, that's by foot.
I wonder if them people that we saw on the road up there that passed us.
Yeah, it's here.
Couple on a bike, and they waved at us like.
Well, that's what I said, and you said no. We'll follow sat nav.
Yeah, but you don't know where they are, do you, or where they're going?
Well, we're here, look.
Yeah.
So we need to go back down the lane.
It was that turning down there.
And there's a left turning. Is that where it was?
There's a little sign saying the Situal Centre, and that's where it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right.
Right, we'll follow you then. You know where it is.
No pressure there.
No pressure. Yeah, so it's down here and turn left then. So if you've seen it, that'll be the one, won't it? Sound. Well, hopefully it's just down here then. I'm just getting sprayed. Yeah, cheers Faster, I'm just getting peppered with grit, mate. Ah, it says that's the one. So the fella in front, he's just said to us, he just come back, he just saw, obviously he saw us come back, he probably heard it actually, he saw us come back, so he just followed us, thinking we knew where we were going. Yeah, because we love these type of roads, don't we, on this bike? Should have come down on the Bullet. Mind you, I probably got here on Monday. Thing finishes on Sunday. The Schlapwall Centre. That's what it's called. There's a load of bikes here. Hey up. What's going off here then? There, bud. Bit of off-roading. I'm going down the track. Get a fasty look. Thinks he's an adventure rider, doesn't he? Here we are, look at this lot. We're here. We are here, wow. You go up there? Hey? Just go up there. Yeah, we'll see if there's anything up there, because that's where the main crew will be, isn't it? So, I think. No, it's a bit busy. I think you were right, mate. We need to go up there. There's, yeah, they look like that. That looks like that Craig's bike anyway. There, doesn't it? Right, should we go back down there then? Yeah, okay. Oh, there's a few here. I was just thinking whether to put bike under tree, but I think when it rains, you get all the shit on your bike then, wouldn't you?
I've got a cover for mine.
Oh, do you know what? I've got a cover for mine. I was going to bring one as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If I'd have brought my bag, I'd have got it in. Have you got a thing for your stand?
Yeah, Thunderfoot thing.
Oh, have you got one of them Thunderfoots? Are you posh?
What have you got?
I've got a motorbike shaped one.
Oh, that's sweet, that.
Right, I'm going to switch the camera off now. Probably get the other one out now. So see you in a bit. This is how you improvise. That's alright. But that's fastest tent, this is mine. How huge this one is. Did you hear that? I think that's fastest tent, this is mine. You could literally get your bike in there.
I know. Mint, innit?
Don't be tripping over my guy rips, I don't want my tent falling on me in the night.
I'll try not.
I can't believe that. Right. I'm going to get changed now and find a beer. See you in a bit. Right, so like to say I had a good night's sleep, but I didn't. It was shit because I had people snoring either side of me. But just going for a bit of breakfast now with this dude here. I don't know who he is. Who's this dude here?
Some foreigner.
So yeah, we're going for a ride today. I think it's about 11 o'clock, so I'll see you on the road. Right guys, so we've come from the campsite this morning, and this is, excuse my pronunciation, Lake VYRNWY or something, whatever it is. VYRNWY. And it looks amazing. I've seen this on a few videos and it looks fantastic. But yeah, we had a good night last night, some good food. A lot of them, I only had a couple of cans of Guinness, I didn't really have a lot. But yeah, it's been really nice, met some nice people. So yeah, how fantastic does this look? This is what it's all about. This is the Wales that I like to see. Been to Wales quite a few times, never been down here though. But it's just fantastic, it's just brilliant. So I think we're actually going to turn around here and go back. There's a couple of bikes up there as well, look at that lot. Just turning around. Yeah. Always think this is quite funny when they do this. But no, it's really good. I'm just tempted to turn around there, but I can't. I've got to keep in the flow. But no, it was a good night. Really enjoyed it. Had a good laugh. Oh dear, man down. Shit. Not good. Not good at all. Lip is alright, bike's alright. But yeah, that's the only thing with these. When you get cambers, and especially on some bikes, they're just really difficult to turn around. Oh, it looks alright anyway. So yeah, we're just going to go back up that side. Lake VYRNWY. We've got some sorted us out with some pack up as well. I feel like I'm at school. So I've got a bit of pack up, got a can, and make sure you're on. Yeah, so we've got a can of Coke, ham sandwich. I think there's a chocolate bar in there as well, and some crisps. So yeah, it's just like being at school. Now this is where my mod 1 comes in handy. And a good turning circle as well. quite a tight one, that. But now, how fantastic is this? I mean, look at all the bikes in front. There's just masses of them. We're trying to work out how many there were, but we're thinking about, I think there were about 60 spots, 60 spots on the campsite. I'm not sure if there's if it's like 30 being taken or over 30 or 40, something like that. So I would have thought there's a minimum of 40 bikes. A minimum. Did you see him go down on bike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they go with a slab?
Yeah.
I don't even know why we went into that car park. You could have just turned
I know.
like
I know. But no, it was. It just went down. It was just. It looked like as well. So I hope he's all right. But
yeah. I hope he's all right.
he got back on reasonable enough, but he'll probably feel it later, won't he?
Yeah.
So, right.
Right.
That's all right. As long as you get your shot, mate. Don't worry about mine. You're all right. I'll have to blur that out now. You know, when you got off then, I was sort of hoping he'd go over there in a cynical sort of way.
You caught me?
No, mate, no. But no, guys, look at this. It's just awesome. Damn. Oh, it's beautiful, this. Absolutely beautiful. But look at the bikes. So this is Simon, his neighbour. You're going to be a star, mate, now. Stunning, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Right, Paul. Yeah, it's beautiful. I've never been down. I've been to Wales quite a bit, but I've never been down here.
Never been round this.
No. I've seen it on his videos.
Yeah, I've seen this one.
Yeah, yeah. And they always do the same thing, don't they?
Yeah.
I'm surprised the council haven't put some kind of turning circle. Did you see him come off? Yeah, bad. So,
It's going to be me, that is.
do you know what? You know, when you see someone go down, you've got it in your head, haven't you? But
Horrible.
serves him right for having an adventure bike. Yeah, we was all right. No, it's never nice. It's.
I've managed to find every single pothole in that corner. You know when we turned off.
Do you know there were one that we come over, and it was right on the bend, and I saw you go down it. I thought I'm going to try and avoid it, and I still caught it. And then you know when you come round as well, did you see where we brake really hard?
Yeah.
And I was going brake to him in the intercom, because I saw you sort of like you. It was like you were picking which way to go, because he stopped suddenly, didn't he?
Yeah, that was bad on that corner.
It was, but no, this is beautiful down here. Are you seeing this here as well, look? That little house down there, yeah. It's awesome. No, it's really nice. Has it got the drone up as well? He's putting drone up. Right, I want to get my helmet off, guys, so I'll pick up in a bit.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Somewhere on a mountain in Wales, I got a clue where. I don't know what it's called. It's just like in the middle of nowhere. I'm a bit annoyed actually because I've just lost my key and my fob for my bike, for my top box. And that's the second fob I've lost. And I know I've lost it because it rings my phone. I've dropped my 360. Finally, you know, luckily I didn't smash it. And I've just dropped my phone, iPhone, straight on its face. And that's fine. But we don't care because look where we are. You get any better than this, do you? Apologise if the wind's, if you can hear the wind, but look at it. Amazing. On top of the world, baby, yes. On top of the world. But this over here behind me, the camera probably does it no justice, but that is absolutely stunning. Really is. Right, see you back on the bike. Yeah mate, are you filming?
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah. Just point it my way.
The what?
I'm the star of the show. This is a collaborated motovlog. A collab. How stunning is this? That were amazing coming through there, wasn't it?
Lovely, innit?
Like proper dense.
Yeah,
it was
lovely.
as well. It looked really nice.
When I came through there, the light was going through the trees, so it dark on one side, the light on the other with light rays. It looked amazing.
Yeah, it just looks awesome.
But wait till you get round this corner, you look right down this valley.
Alright, board up. Alright. Got it. Right. Alright, buddy. You got it.
I'll try to come and stand down.
Yeah. You got it, pal, yeah?
Yeah, I got it, mate.
Alright, mate. Yeah, yeah.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.